Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your reading lesson for today. For today's lesson, you are going to need your red, your turn practice book. We're going to be working from page 20 today. So let's make sure that we are in a spot where we can focus and learn, and let's get started. All right, let's review. A, B, B, C, K, C-K, K, D, D, F, F, G, G, H, I, E, T, T, V, V, W, X, X, Y, Z, Z, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, N, P, P, Q, and U. We spell with those two letters together. Qu, R, S. All right, alliteration. Listen carefully as I say a sentence. 5 fat frogs float for fun. What sound do you hear at the beginning of each word? Now I'm going to say 2 words that begin with the sound. It, asked, fast. All right, so I want you to practice more words with alliteration or more phrases with alliteration. And I want you to tell me the sound you hear at the beginning of the words. Pam plays piano. What sound do you hear? Good job. Ruth runs races. You hear at the beginning of all of those. All right. I can blend and read words with short I. I can also identify key details in a story. All right, this is the letter I. It's a vowel. It says I as an insect. So what you could do, you could get a board if you have a board at home. If not, you can get a sheet of paper and a pencil, and you could practice writing or just recognizing the words. We'll do it orally. All right, the word is lick. We're going to replace the O with S. You should have sick. All right, the word is sit. We're going to replace the T with an X or the X sound. You should have 6. All right, fix. Replace the X with the T. Fit. All right, the word is fin. Replace the F with the W or the F with the W sound. Win. All right, now you can replace the W or the W sound with the P or P. You'll have pen. Now this is an activity that you can do at home. You can practice writing those short I words and just practice changing out some of those beginning and ending sounds. All right, let's read the sentences. He has 6 big pigs. He has 6 big pigs. I will fix the van. I will fix the van. Is Jill quick? Is Jill quick? Let's look at our high frequency words. We're going to say the word, spell the word, and say the word again. All right, let's look at the picture. We're going to write the high frequency word that describes the picture on your whiteboard if you have one. If not, you can just simply use a sheet of paper and a pencil. What is he doing? He's going what? up. Oh, I'm sorry. He's going down. D-O-W-N. He's going down, down. Okay? What's going on here? He is out of his pants. Out. Or his hands are out of his pocket, or his pockets are out. O-U-T. Out. What is she doing? She's going up. All right, she's climbing up. How you spell up? U-P. Up. All right, what is he doing? He is very excited. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. All right, let's talk about key details in stories. A detail is a piece of information about something. Key details help you understand a story. Words and pictures in a story give you the key details. And these are some words that help us when we are asking questions. Who, what, when, why, how. All right, we can read the story. I live here. Yes, it is in your book. I live in the country. I live in a house. Not many people live near us. I live in the city. I live in a big building. Lots of people live here. So what you can do with an adult or with an older sibling, you guys can practice reading and asking and answering questions. Where does she live? Where does he live? What does she live in? What does he live in? Those are examples of questions that can be asked. And good readers, they think and they ask questions as they read so they can gain understanding. I live in the country. I play in my yard. Lots of kids play with me. I live in the city. I play in the playground. Lots of kids play with me. I live in the country. My school is far away. I ride the bus. I live in the city. My school is near my home. My mom walks with me. Where do you live? All right, so again, that is a story that can be found in your book. It is entitled, I Live Here. You can practice reading that and asking and answering questions. What is it like where you live? And I believe that's what our friend asked us in that last page. Where do you live? And you can tell what it's like where you live. This is the city. This is the country. Let's look at our structural analysis. When a word ends with consonants that are the same, we only say one sound for both letters. It is the fizzle rule. If a one-syllable word has a short vowel sound, the sounds f, z, and ul are usually doubled. All right, what is the double final consonant ending in each word? Let's do this side, and you can do this side on your own. Will, L, hiss, S, mit, T, cliff, F. So we have two L's, two S's, two T's, two F's. Those are the double final consonants. All right, let's read the sentence. Which words have double consonants? I miss my dad. What word has two of the same letters? Miss. Jill has a mitt. I see two in this sentence. Jill and mitt. Mom will give Jill a pill. I see three in this one. Will, Jill, pill. All right, in grammar, we're learning about word order. A sentence must have words written in an order that makes sense. We're going to correct the word order for each sentence. Tad the ball kicks. What should it be? Tad kicks the ball. Cat the sick is. The cat is sick. All right, let's look at our sentence punctuation. A sentence that tells us something ends with a period. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A cat does not yap. What's missing? My period at the end. The pig is very big. It's telling me something. So what's missing? I have a capital letter. It makes sense. I'm missing a period at the end. All right, awesome job. Now it's time for you to get out your turn practice book. We're going to open it to page 20. The first thing we do is always the same. We always remember to write our names. All right, read the draft model. Use the questions to help you add describing details. I share a room with my sister. We have bunk beds. My bed is on top. Number 1, what place is the writing about? He's writing about his room. What are the describing details? They have bunk beds. His bed is on top. What other describing details could you add to the writing? Now you could add more to this. You could talk about what is on the bed. You could talk about the colors in the room. There's so much that you can add to this. So you're going to revise the draft model by adding describing details to help readers picture the room in their minds. So we're going to add some words to it to help us learn more about or visualize what this room looks like, okay? All right, thanks for joining me today. I hope that you have an awesome day. Remember to take a picture of those graded assignments and either email it to your teacher, upload it to Class Dojo or Schoology. All right, thanks for helping me today. Happy learning.